For the best price, click the link in the description. Are you tired of struggling to understand languages while traveling abroad? Have you ever found yourself in a situation where you desperately need a translation but your phone's app just isn't cutting it? /n/n. Well, I was right there with you until I discovered the Timekettle W4 Pro, and let me tell you, my life has been forever changed. But here's what surprised me: this device doesn't just do translations, it also allows for simultaneous conversations in over 100 languages. Now, I know what you're thinking. Isn't that just a fancy smartwatch? Not quite. The Timekettle W4 Pro is an advanced wearable device that uses AI-powered real-time translation to break down language barriers. Therefore, no more awkward silences or frustrating misunderstandings. /n/n. But how does it actually work? In this review, I'll dive deep into the features and capabilities of the Timekettle W4 Pro so you can decide if it's worth the investment for yourself. The first thing that struck me about the Timekettle W4 Pro was its sleek design. It looks and feels like a high-end smartwatch, but with a much more practical purpose. /n/n. But what really sets it apart is its ability to translate languages in real time, allowing for seamless conversations between people who speak different languages. Therefore, no longer will you be stuck in situations where language barriers hold you back. Now, let's take a closer look at the features of the Timekettle W4 Pro, real-time translation. With over 100 languages supported, this device makes it easy to communicate across language barriers. Simultaneous conversations. Whether you're traveling abroad or working with international clients, this device allows for smooth and efficient communication. Advanced AI-powered technology. The Timekettle W4 Pro uses cutting-edge AI to ensure accurate and reliable translations every time. Long-lasting battery life. With up to 12 hours of continuous use, you can rely on this device all day long. But here's what I found most impressive about the Timekettle W4 Pro: its ease of use. With a simple tap of the screen, you can switch between languages and even customize your translation preferences. Therefore, no more fiddling around with complicated settings or trying to figure out how to use it. Now, I know some of you may be thinking, is this device worth the investment? And my answer is absolutely. The Timekettle W4 Pro is a game changer for anyone who travels abroad regularly or works in an international setting. /n/n. But don't just take my word for it, let's look at what other reviewers have to say. I was blown away by the accuracy of the translations. Emily R. This device has changed my life as a travel writer. Mark K. I no longer struggle with language barriers in business meetings. David L. But here's the thing. The Timekettle W4 Pro isn't just for professionals or frequent travelers. Anyone who wants to break down language barriers and connect with people from different cultures can benefit from this device. Therefore, it's not just a tool for communication, it's a key to unlocking new connections and experiences. Now, I want to address some potential concerns you may have about the Timekettle W4 Pro. Is it comfortable to wear? Yes, the device is designed to be lightweight and ergonomic, making it perfect for all-day wear. Is it easy to use? Absolutely. With a simple tap of the screen, you can switch between languages and customize your translation preferences. But what really sets the Timekettle W4 Pro apart is its community support. With a dedicated app and online forum, users can connect with each other and share tips and advice on how to get the most out of their device. Therefore, no longer will you be stuck in isolation with the Timekettle W4 Pro. You'll have access to a whole network of like-minded individuals who share your passion for language and culture. Now, let's talk about the price. I know some of you may be thinking, is it worth the investment? And my answer is absolutely. At $299, the Timekettle W4 Pro is an affordable solution for anyone looking to break down language barriers and connect with people from different cultures. /n/n. But don't just take my word for it. Check out the reviews and ratings on Amazon to see what other customers have to say. In conclusion, the Timekettle W4 Pro is a game changer for anyone who wants to communicate effectively across language barriers. With its advanced AI-powered technology, sleek design, and ease of use, this device is an absolute must-have for anyone who travels abroad or works in an international setting. /n/n. So, what are you waiting for? Click the link in the description to get your Timekettle W4 Pro today and start breaking down language barriers like never before.